Yara and mabuhay guys, today we are here in Auckland and kami ay binunta dito sa bagong mall. Ay hindi pala, matagal ng mall, Manawa Bay. So guys, let's see kung ano nasa loob ng Manawa Bay. Come on! So guys, natapos ng aming Manawa Bay, naubos ng aming pera.
At naubos na aming energy. Hindi kami sanay mag-shopping kasi taga-bundok kami.
Napagod kami doon na. Happy bata? Parang solved na solved ka. Happy mama? Happy, okay. So punta kami ngayon Sylvia Park. Haha! So guys, natapos ng aming pagbilis magwaldas ng salapi sa Manawa Bay. So right now, I think I managed to buy ng 3 sapatos. Yay! Kailangan na, hindi siya want, I need it. So one is for trail run, ang isa naman is para sa tag dito sa Tongariro Crossing, ang isa naman is ay nang want. So yeah, we really enjoyed it, and yeah, if you want to come to Manawa Bay, I think you really, kasi sobrang mura, kasi may mga 40, kunyari $100 ang presyo, then less 40% pa. So magkano na lang yun, diba? So huwag nyo natanong kung magkano kasi mat yan. But anyway, so yun, kaya nakabili kami na marami. So we really enjoyed it. So kung punta kayo ng Manawa Bay, enjoy it. I highly recommend sa mga gusto mag-shopping na lalo sa mga taga Taupo na alam mo na wala tayong mall sa Taupo. So this is the best place para makatipid. At saka maliwalas ang place, maraming parking, may maraming place to eat. So I think it's okay. So now we're here in Mustache to buy the cookies. Then after that, we're heading to our hotel. Hey, hey! Let's go. First down. Baby. Wow, ang aming model. Right now guys, we are here in our favorite hotel. What hotel is this, baby? Look at you. Kain ka na ng kain. We're here in DoubleTree Hotel in Auckland. So yeah, it's very cold but we are enjoying it. Yay! So we have this. Oh, Shanghai. Oh, wow. And the most important, oh, halo.
And
I-
it comes with a mini dessert.
Are you excited, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
It comes with
Wow. Shout out kay Aling Rosing. Rosita pala. Kay Aling Rosita, ang sarap-sarap. Bata, ito ba yung paborito mo? Wow. Ooh, it looks yummy. You like that? Or you like this one? Wow. Wow, masayang-masaya ah. Wow, so kumusta breakfast? Parang bilog na bilog ka na dyan. Cute. Baby, are you happy? How about you, mama? Satisfied? Wow, mukha namang mauulit.
Satisfied si baby, satisfied si
Satisfied? Best buffet ba ito? Ano yung pinaka-paborito mo? Which one? Everything? May change outfit pa yan. Shout out to Tita Cheche ba yan? Galing namin na yan? Kay Tita Rona pala. Kay na Tita Rona yan. Tita Rona. Hey baby, satisfied customer. Wow! Happy ka ba? Parang ikaw ang pinakamasaya sa lahat ah. Yun, sasakay na ng elevator. Hintay mo ako, hintay mo tatay. So we're finally done with the mass and we're going to Casca. Oh, sorry, Casca. So guys, naubos na ang pera ng tatay. Ano ba pinili ni baby? Ano yung pinaka-paborito ang binili mo dyan? Yeah? We're done in our shopping. So the holiday is officially on and no more money. Is benta tayo? Aray ko, naku, sinuwag ako ng kambing.